Hey there, folks. Today we are chat about making our homes feel like a cozy haven. You know the kind of place where you walk in and a big smile just naturally spread across your face. Well, that is what we are diving into today. The wonderful world of home decor organization. No fancy jargons or complicated terms, just good old tips and tricks to make our living spaces not only look fantastic but also function like a dream. Ever walked into a room and felt a bit overwhelmed by the stuff scattered around? Yeah, we have all been there. Today we are unveiling the magic of decluttering, a game changer when it comes to creating a space that is not just pleasing your eye but also give you some comfy vibes that we all crave. So grab a seat, maybe a cup of your favorite beverage, and let's embark on this journey to turn your home into the haven we have always wanted without any fears or stress. Ever walked into the room and felt like it is doing a chores dance? Well, that is where the magic of decluttering swoops in. Imagine this. You start with a space that feels a bit like a tangled secretary mess, and then Viola taught the art of tidying up. You transform it into a zen garden. Now let's talk about the real deal. Decluttering is not about tossing everything out. It is about creating space for the things that truly matter. It is like giving your room a big cozy hug. We are talking about getting rid of the excess, those things that sneakily multiply like rabbits. By bidding farewell to unnecessary, you make room for a home that breathes. So grab a box, channel your inner minimalist, and let the decluttering magic begins. It is the secret sauce of a home that feels light and breezy as a sunny day. Ready to create that magic in your home space? Let's roll up our sleeves and declutter away. So you know how furniture is not about looking good. It is good to be useful too. Like imagine having a coffee table that is not just for magazines but also has hidden storage for your cozy blankets and maybe your favorite board games. That is the magic of functional furniture. It looks stylish and at the same time it is there to make your life easier. Now let's dive into picking pieces that do more than just sit there. Think about a sofa that can turn into a comfy bed for expected guests, or optimas that double up a storage box. It is like having furniture that is on your team, helping you out with daily life. So when you are picking out furnitures, keep an eye out for those sneaky storage spots on the ones that serve more than one purpose. It is like getting a bonus. Looks good and work hard. How awesome is that? Ever found yourself starting at your sleeves shelves wondering how to make them look Instagram worthy? Well, worry not. Here are some down to earth tips to style your shelves like a pro. First off, keep it balanced. Mix up your items. A couple of books here, a decorative pieces there. It is like creating a visual symphony on your shelves. Now let's talk about spacing. Give your items some breathing room. You don't want things to look cramped. A little space between items can make your shelves feel organized and inviting. And don't forget the power of a focal point. Choose one item that stands out, like a funky vase or a unique piece of art. It is like giving your shelf a star player. So go ahead, arrange with confidence, and let your shelves tell a story. Now let's talk about making your closest a happy place. You know that feeling when you open the door and everything is just where it should be. That is what we are aiming for with these closest hacks. First thing, think about using slim hangers. They are like a little miracle for saving space. You can fit more clothes without the chores. And don't forget the power of hooks. Stick a few inside your closest for bags, scarves, or even hats. It is like giving your item their own little home within your closest world. Next on this list, tackle the shoe situations. We all have that mountain of shoes, right? Try a hanging shoe organizer. It's like a shoe hotel for your closest. Or if you are feeling crafty, repurpose an old ladder as a shoe rack. Now let's not forget about the mystery zone, the top shelf. Use blankets, baskets, or bins to corral those not so frequently used items up there. It is like giving a proper home to your forgotten treasures. Remember, a happy closet equals a happy day. What is your favorite closet hack? Share it down below. Now let's talk about easy way to make your space work smarter for you. No need for fancy budget or big budgets. Just some clever dive storage solutions using things you probably already have laying around. First up, consider repurposing old crates or boxes. Turn up into charming shelves and stake up for our rustic bookcases. It is a budget friendly way to add storage and touch of personality in your spaces. Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me as we talk about making your home look neat and stylish. We start by chatting about how having less stuff can actually make your place look cooler. It is like a little magic trick. Then we checked out furniture that not only looks good but also has a useful side to it. I spilled the beans on how to arrange your shelves so they look really nice and organized. And if your closest feel a bit crazy, I shared some easy tricks to make the most of the spaces. For those who enjoy a bit of hands-on action, we chatted about some affordable storage ideas you can do yourself. We also tackle about adding personal touches to your decor without making a big mess. Now I had